Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today, you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's topic is talking to a taxi driver. You will listen to a funny and natural English conversation about taking a taxi and speaking English during the ride. All right, let's begin. Hey, Dave, where are you going today?
I'm going downtown.
Really?
Yes, but I don't want to walk.
Lazy Dave again?
Not lazy, just tired.
Sure.
Let's take a taxi.
Good idea.
Oh, look, a taxi.
Quick, wave your hand.
Like this?
Yes.
Hello, where are you going?
Downtown City Mall.
Yes, downtown City Mall.
Okay, get in.
Thank you.
Wow, this taxi is nice.
Yes, it's clean.
And cold. Air conditioning.
I like it.
Busy day today.
Really?
Yes, lots of traffic.
Oh, no.
Don't worry.
I hate traffic.
Nobody likes traffic.
Traffic makes me sleepy.
Everything makes you sleepy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Oh, nice.
Do you drive taxi every day?
Yes, every day.
That sounds tiring.
A little.
I think driving all day is hard.
Sometimes, yes.
He's practicing English.
That's good.
I'm trying my best.
One time, a passenger fell asleep in my taxi.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
He started snoring very loudly.
That's funny.
I had to wake him up.
Maybe he was very tired.
Probably.
I understand him.
Of course you do.
I also sleep easily. Wow, the traffic is getting worse.
Oh, no. We're not moving.
Yes, big traffic jam today.
Traffic jams are so annoying.
Welcome to city life.
I think we move 1 meter every hour. I think walking is faster now.
Too late for walking.
True. Why are there so many cars?
Everyone is leaving work now.
Rush hour again?
Yes.
I learned a new word today.
Good job.
Rush hour sounds dangerous,
Sometimes it feels dangerous.
especially when I'm hungry.
Hungry Dave again.
Traffic feels longer when I'm hungry.
Do you use map apps?
Yes, but I still get lost.
That's true.
My map says turn left and I go right. One time I walked in circles for 20 minutes.
Really?
Yes, I was looking for a coffee shop.
Did you find it?
No, but I found noodles.
Food always finds you.
Food is my destiny.
I think it will rain soon.
Oh no, I forgot my umbrella.
Again?
I always forget umbrellas.
The weather changes quickly here.
I hope the rain waits for us.
Maybe the rain likes you.
I don't think so.
Look at those clouds.
Wow, very dark.
Good thing we're inside the taxi.
Yes, dry and comfortable.
Do you want some music?
Yes, please.
Music starts playing.
Oh, I know this song.
Really?
Yes, but I only know one sentence. English songs are difficult.
But good for learning English.
That's true.
You should sing.
Oh no, terrible idea. My singing voice is dangerous.
Dangerous?
Yes, people might jump out of the taxi.
That's funny.
Is driving taxi difficult?
Sometimes.
I think driving in traffic is stressful.
Yes, especially during rush hour.
I would get angry.
Impatient Dave.
Yes, very impatient.
You need patience for driving.
I need more patience in life.
That's true.
Talking about traffic makes me hungry.
Everything makes you hungry.
That's my special talent. I think about food all the time.
We know.
Maybe after this we can eat.
Good idea.
See? Food solves problems.
Maybe. Hey, Dave, look outside.
Wow, the city looks beautiful at night. Yes, many people like the city lights. Everything looks shiny.
You sound impressed.
I am impressed. The city is very busy at night too. Really? I thought people sleep at night.
Not in big cities.
Wow, city people have too much energy. That's true. Do you like living in the city? Sometimes yes, sometimes no. Why no? Too much traffic and noise. Ah, understandable.
Do you prefer quiet places?
Yes, quiet places are relaxing. But the city has good food. Oh, good point.
Food changes everything.
Yes, city life is okay again. Have you ever met strange passengers before? Oh yes, many strange passengers. Really? One passenger talked on the phone for the whole ride. He never stopped talking. Maybe he was very lonely. Maybe. I also talk too much sometimes.
Sometimes?
Okay, many times. Another passenger forgot his shopping bags in the taxi. Oh no. He came back 1 hour later.
Did he find them?
Yes. Lucky.
You forget things too.
That's true. What did you forget before? My phone, my wallet, my umbrella.
Too many things.
My memory is not strong. Wow, look at those buildings.
They look beautiful.
I want to take a photo. Go ahead. Okay.
What happened?
My face looks tired.
Use beauty filter.
Good idea. Now I look better.
Much better.
Technology is amazing. Do taxi drivers know every road? Not every road. Really? The city is very big. I thought taxi drivers have super memory. No superpower. Oh no, my dream is broken. Maybe GPS is the real superhero. That's true. Have you ever gotten lost? A few times. Really? Yes, everyone gets lost sometimes. That makes me feel better.
Finally.
Now I don't feel alone. What do you want to eat later? Good question.
Here we go again.
Maybe burgers? Nice choice. Or fried chicken.
You're always hungry.
Taxi rides make me hungry. Actually, everything makes me hungry.
That's very true.
This taxi ride is relaxing.
Yes, very comfortable.
I'm glad you enjoy it. I feel calm now.
No more nervous traffic talk?
No, now I'm enjoying the city view. Night rides are peaceful sometimes, especially with air conditioning.
Dave loves air conditioning.
Cold air makes life better.
We are almost there.
Really?
That was faster than I expected.
Maybe because we talked too much.
Good conversations make time faster.
That's true.
Did you enjoy the taxi ride?
Yes, very much.
I learned new English words today.
Good job.
Rush hour, passenger, traffic jam,
Nice.
and don't trust my map skills.
Very important sentence.
Wow, the city looks beautiful tonight.
Yes, many people love the night view.
The lights are amazing.
You sound very happy now.
I am happy.
No more stress?
No more stress.
That's good.
Taxi rides are actually relaxing.
Especially with good air conditioning.
Yes, exactly.
That's your favorite thing.
Cold air is happiness. Okay, we have arrived.
Already?
Yes, we're here.
Time goes fast.
The total is $15.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Have a nice night.
You too. Wait,
What?
I almost forgot my wallet.
Good thing you remembered.
My brain is sleepy today.
Your brain is always sleepy.
That's not true. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome.
You are very friendly.
Thank you.
We enjoyed the conversation.
Me too.
Maybe we will meet again someday.
Maybe.
Hopefully not during heavy traffic. So, where do you want to go now?
Food.
Of course.
Talking for so long made me hungry again.
That's normal for you.
I think taxi rides burn energy.
Really?
Yes, conversation exercise.
I like that.
Maybe burgers.
Again?
Or noodles.
Better.
Or dessert.
You're impossible.
Food is important.
That's true.
Today was fun.
Yes, very fun.
I was nervous at first.
But you spoke a lot of English.
Yes, I'm happy about that.
Your English is improving.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Thank you.
See, I told you.
Maybe one day I will talk too much in English.
You already do. Thank you for driving us safely.
You're welcome.
And thank you for listening to my funny stories,
They were entertaining.
especially the map stories.
Please don't remind me.
Today, I learned something important.
What?
Taxi rides are more fun with good conversation
That's true.
and air conditioning
Of course.
and snacks.
There it is.
Everything is better with snacks.
That's your life lesson.
Yes, my final wisdom. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.